guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I am going to be sharing my tips and tricks with you all to smell good throughout the day. This is going to be the first time I am going to be revealing my secret to you all. Also, there are going to be some facts. So yes, without further ado, we are quickly going to be diving in the video. So the first one is going to be very simple, guys. You must have heard it before, but let me emphasize on it again. That is going to be drinking plenty of water. Now, water is elixir for life. It is going to be good for your whole body, but it is also a fact that water helps in dissolving all the unpleasant scents you might have on the body. So yes, drinking those 8 glasses of water for me does wonders to my skin, my hair, and also helps me in smelling normal throughout the day. So if you are someone whose odor stink, just try drinking plenty of water and it is gonna sort half of the things for you. Next up is gonna be spraying the perfume on the hairbrush. Never spray the perfume directly on your hair, guys, because it can cause root damage and also cuticle damage, because when the concentration of high, it can be very drying for the hair. So instead, take your hairbrush. I'm someone who uses comb normally. Spread it across the comb and then try combing your hair. It helps in lowering down the concentration and gives you pleasant trail of scent.
And guys, now I want to introduce you to these amazing fragrances by Body Cupid. One of my favorites is gonna be Flirtatious, and also I love this another one as well, which is gonna be Seductive. This stays on the skin for a long period of time. I love how they make me feel. They have this luxurious finish yet at a very affordable price. Also, they have wide variety of mitts available, so you must go and check it out. The link is gonna be in the description box below, guys. So just go and check it out for yourself. They have wide varieties of options to go for. If you want another kind of notes, then you can definitely pick the one you want. I like something which has fruity floral fragrance, so yes, that is the reason I picked all of these 3. So yes, you just need to spritz it on your points and you're gonna be good to go for the entire day. The packaging is gonna be very easy to travel with as well.
Next one is gonna be a very unique hack, and you might not have heard it before, and that is gonna be spraying the perfume on the belly. Just spray plenty. You can increase the concentration if you want to, and because your nose height and torso is at a different length, it is not gonna be right onto your face. It is definitely gonna make you smell pleasant throughout the day. And if you just want to have that lingering pleasant smell, then just go for 2 to 3 sprays and you're gonna be good to go. Just try it out and let me know in the comments down below how it works out for you. Next up, we are gonna be moving on to the last hack, and that is gonna be, the last one is gonna be understanding the process of layering. So whenever you come out of shower and you want to apply the perfume, make sure that you apply it on the moisturized skin. Now I'll tell you the reason behind it.
So what happens is perfume diffuses well when applied on moisturized skin, as the hydrated skin holds the fragrance for longer. And this is the same reason why hair can hold the fragrance for a longer period of time, because of the oiliness in the scalp. So here I'm applying the same principle. Just apply the moisturizer first and then apply your perfume, and it is gonna stay on the skin for a longer period of time. So yes, with that we are gonna wrap up today's video. You can check out the link in the description box below, guys. I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care, bye bye. I love you all so much.